All right, today we're diving into a face-off between the new Kirkland driver and the Callaway PARADYM AI Smoke Max driver. As an average golfer like myself, I'm striving always to, become a better golfer. I'm on that constant journey to improve my skills. The big question is, between these two drivers, which driver is best for someone like me, an average golfer? Let's find out. All right, first, let's talk about the Kirkland driver. At a fantastic $200 price point, this driver boasts a lightweight and a durable carbon composite crown, a titanium face, and an adjustable loft setting at 10.5 degrees. It also comes with a true temper even flow graphite shaft and a lambkin grip, which, honestly, for $200, what a great deal. All right, now onto the Callaway PARADYM AI Smoke Max driver. It definitely comes with a hefty $600+ price point. Oof, that's a lot. But Callaway is claiming it is the most sophisticated driver ever produced. Or, as Callaway would say, sweeter from every spot. Okay, so this is a 9-degree head and it has a customizable options using Callaway's hosel. And also it comes with an adjustable weight in the back as well too, which is kind of neat, which I think it's very helpful, very customizable for everyone. And so also I am using a Ventus shaft with this AI smoke driver. So let's get to the head-to-head matchup. See which driver would best fit someone like me, an average golfer. All right, so the results showed a noticeable difference in forgiveness between the two drivers. The AI smoke seemed more forgiving, I would say, making shots look, I would say, more playable compared to the Kirkland driver. And I would say personally, for me, I struggled with the Kirkland driver. I felt like I was hitting many of the shots off the heel, and definitely you can see that I was losing distance. At least it was coming shorter. So based on my simulator experience using TrackMan, honestly, yeah, I really did enjoy the AI smoke more than the Kirkland. However, is it worth the hefty $600 price point? Let me just say that, is it worth it? The $600 price point. And it's a tough call. It definitely is, it's tough. Like, I don't know. This is what I would do. I would actually get the previous model, the PARADYM, for half the cost, because it was one of the best drivers from last year, and it still is. And then I would use the other $300 and keep working with a coach to improve my game. I think that's probably more important. For anyone else, I think the Kirkland is a good option, but I know that one thing that's kind of tough is that you can't really try it out before you buy it. Like I said, I'm still impressed with Kirkland's driver, the quality build, just overall, everything that they offer free. For $200, you can't go wrong with it. For those who are a little more serious, kind of like me, who are trying to improve, I would say I would say the AI smoke really is worth it maybe for you. The AI tech assistant in hitting fairways could justify that $600 investment. Those are just some of my thoughts, but thanks for tuning in. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. And until then, I'll talk to you guys later.